Namaste friends, Bridge Course, Standard 10th, Subject English, Day 26, Competency Statement number 13, to converse effectively in different social contexts and real life situations. Today's objective: to enable the students to acquire interaction skills and strategies such as listening and comprehension. Friends, you should always participate in group and pair discussions whenever you get an opportunity. You should listen to others very carefully. You should comprehend the content you listen to. At the same time, you should pay attention to stress, accent, and intonations. Now be attentive. Listen to the pair discussion between Atul and Pratik. The discussion topic is exercise regularly, live healthy life. Atul says, "Hi Pratik, seems coming back from gym. Do you exercise regularly?" "Yes friend. 1 hour in the evening is dedicated for exercise regularly. It improves my mood and gives me improved sense of well-being." "Good. But I don't get time to do so, even if I wish to do so." "You should set apart an hour from your busy schedule. It will increase your energy level as well as strengthen your muscles." "That's right, buddy. Sometimes I feel bored. It will definitely improve my brain function." "Yes, you are right. Besides, it is good for your heart and will enhance your immune system." "Yes, you are absolutely right. I will join you from tomorrow." "That's good. You are welcome." Friends, practice activity SCERT PDF, page number 74. Read the questions and after listening the discussion between Atul and Pratik, write the answers of the questions in practice activity in your notebook. What is the point of discussion? Importance of exercise and going to gym. What are the benefits of exercise? What are the benefits of exercise? Exercise increases energy level, strengthens muscles, improves heart function, and enhances immune system. Is it good to gain health by joining gym? Why? Yes, it is definitely good to gain health by joining gym because it helps to strengthen one's muscles. By joining it, improves heart function and enhances immune system. It helps to stay fit and fine. Question number 4. Name the parts of the body mentioned in the content. The parts of the body mentioned in the content: brain, heart, immune system. Who is the advisor? Pratik is the advisor. What do you understand by immune system? The system in human body that produces substances to help it fight against infection and diseases. Pick out and write 3 adverbs from the discussions. So 3 adverbs in the discussion, they are regularly, absolutely, definitely. One word which means engage. So the word is busy. Why is health the greatest wealth? Though you have a lot of wealth, but if you can't enjoy it, if you don't have good health, therefore it is said, health is the greatest wealth. What lesson do we learn from this discussion? We learn from the discussion that we should exercise regularly. Now be attentive. Extension activity on SCRT PDF, page number 75. In infogap form, two dialogues have been given. That is a discussion between A and B, and you have to continue with the same theme and write 4 meaningful exchanges and make it meaningful discussion through the dialogues. So you have to write the dialogues with 4 more meaningful exchanges. Now friends, listen to me very carefully. I give one more demonstration here, but I expect you should write in your own way. Do not copy the same in your notebook. You have to write in your own way. You can change the dialogues written by me, and you should keep with the same theme but in your own words. So the discussion between A and B. A's dialogue is already given there. A asks, "What is your favorite book?" and B responds. So here I write in my own way, "Wings of Fire." A asks, "What type of book is it?" B responds, "It's an autobiography." A asks, "Whose autobiography is it?" B responds, "Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam." A asks, "What do you learn from the book?" B responds, "It's great motivation for every reader. A child from Rameshwaram becomes Missile Man of India and then People's President of India." A: "Great. Now I will read it." B says, "I'm sure you will enjoy it." Friends, you must have understood here one thing. For dialogue writing, very important and essential element is question skill. You must have the tact of framing the question in appropriate context. Once you acquire the question skill or questioning skill, you will achieve command on that particular language. So here questioning skill is very important. Either it is an interview or discussion or spontaneous conversation, whatever it be, but you should have practice of framing accurate question. Now one more activity of comprehension questions. Question number 1: what is the role of intonation in dialogue writing? Intonation makes the sense of meaningfulness of the particular word in context. How can you improve speaking and listening skills through dialogues? By drilling the presentations and listening to others' role plays, it is possible. What are the elements of dialogue writing? The elements of dialogue writing, as I told you, first questioning skill, then observe how people around you speak. Many times interpretation differs by emphasizing the same word differently or using intonation differently. Then read the dialogue loudly after writing the scene. Then think, what's the purpose of your dialogue writing? And finally, your dialogue must reflect the real life situations. So these things are very important. These are the elements of dialogue writing. So in this way, today we have again in day 25 the same chapter we continued on day 26 also, what we studied on day 25, and at the end of this day activity you have to write my takeaway note. What you learnt you have to write at the end. Thank you.